I knew it was probably going to be quite expensive. Can you see it?
The sun's not even up yet.
I threw up last night. I don't know what else to say, but I just want to eat it. Yeah, that's nice. And now we're here. We've just come to a place called Mutto Street Food and we've decided to get a Kokorec. It's always very neat. They give you toothpicks and wipes and everything, which I love. Very like long and skinny and like nicely toasted. So it's got really juicy meat in there. I don't know, lots of different spices. There's some green bits in there. It's really good.
Spinach, I think, behind you.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, you're so cute.
As much as everyone loves visiting European cities in the summer, I really think Istanbul is a great option for this time of the year. I think I just really appreciate busy, bustling cities when it gets really cold and dark early. There's just so many cute cafes and restaurants that give that cozy, kind of hoogy vibe that I just really love.
We've just got on the ferry and we've gotten the perfect time. We've got a beautiful sunset behind us. Can you see it?
Yeah.
We went from the Asia side and we're heading over to the Europe side now. We're heading over to Kadikoy. This is so nice, it's so red. So I saw a girl on YouTube that said there was a rooftop bar at the Peninsula Hotel. And I was thinking, I bet you the cocktails are gonna cost like 20 quid. And they do. And now we're here. So we're just gonna get one cocktail and then leave. So the thing is as well, we never go to places this bougie, even in London. We wouldn't even pay 10 quid for a cocktail. We don't even drink cocktails because they're too expensive. We have the view that we're paying for. This is really nice. Yeah, so we're just gonna savour it. They've also bought us some pickles, gherkins, olives, pistachios, nuts, and honestly, they're the nicest snacks I've ever had in my life. the nuts are so nice, and the olives are so nice. They're good, aren't they? Too bold.
Since we had a big day ahead of us, we woke up at the absolute crack of dawn. We aren't usually the type to organise lots of tours, but I do love a walking tour, hearing all about the sights and the history of the place I'm visiting. And of course, to end the day, we had a food tour, which was also great to meet other travellers and also learn about the local food. But I will just say, be careful when they hand you a flaming drink.
Just got off the metro and now we're going to walk down to a cafe and have some breakfast. It's called North Ark Coffee and Breakfast.
This is a Turkish coffee. It's quite thick.
First Turkish coffee. That's actually really nice. This is not a very flattering angle. I didn't realise that this is actually an Aussie cafe, so they do lots of nice coffees and stuff. Drip coffees, iced coffees, literally all kinds of stuff here. So we probably shouldn't have got a Turkish coffee. We probably should have got that from a more traditional place and probably got an actual proper like latte from here. I think we might actually get another coffee because these were only single shots. Okay, this is the Istanbul Dream. Cinnamony. Just tastes like a nice latte, really. Right, I've gone for salmon, I think that's capers, and some nice cheese. Scrambled eggs. It's really good, but the eggs are like pretty much cold. We are in a big hole in the ground
Basilica Cistern.
where they used to keep all their water back in the day.
Yeah.
If we're going to be really simple about it, that's what it is, and it's actually really cool.
Yeah, big water tank.
Yeah, big water tank. Yeah, and there was loads of them around the city.
They used to put fish, apparently,
to eat all the algae, and also to make sure that the water wasn't being poisoned by outsiders as well. I was saying to Jordan, imagine having a rave in here, but without the water. And then Jordan suggested maybe some wellies.
Yeah, wellies
and a little like rain jacket, I reckon, because we're getting drops on our heads.
So we're now in a cafe. We finished our tour about half an hour ago. We pretty much just got on the metro straight away and headed into Kadikoy because I was just like, I just want to get out of the touristy busy area. And we've come straight to a cafe because we just needed to sit down and have a coffee and have a rest because it was just so full on. We ended it in the Grand Bazaar and we did want to go shopping there, but I think we just will come back another day. So we're nearly finished here and then we're going to go and get some food, and then later on we've got a food tour. I've ordered some boiled dumplings with meat. There's lots of yogurt and spices on top. That's really tasty.
Not bad, yeah.
Is the tea okay?
Yeah, the tea's good.
Is it really hot though?
Yes. So I got the doner burrito from this lovely restaurant, 200 lira. This is after I've had one of these very, very spicy peppers. I need to blow my head off.
And I've just got another Turkish tea. Started our food tour, and the first things we had were like this mincy meat thing that wasn't meat in like a lettuce cup. Jordan really liked it.
Oh,
I don't know if I really liked it.
You want to get the spicy one, and then the guy throws lemon at you.
And then we had Turkish delight, and first time trying Turkish delight in Turkey, and it was so good. Can't wait to go and buy some tomorrow. Now I've come to the rooftop, really pretty view of the skyline.
Special seasoning mix that you call mangal, the Turkish barbecue seasoning mix with like, and then you take one skewer. You can do it with your fork too. It's the novice way, but then this is the pro way. You just...
Quick story time about this flaming drink. Unfortunately, I didn't capture it on camera, but Jordan accidentally distracted one of the tour guides as the waiters were placing this on the table, and the flame unfortunately caught her hair on fire. Luckily, we put it out very quickly, and we all found it very funny, but I do think Jordan wanted the ground to swallow him up in that moment.
The next day, we've just walked further over to a different area of Kadikoy, but it's right near where the park is. I'll put it on the screen, the name of the park, and we're just going to a breakfast place there. I don't know if we're going to get like a Turkish breakfast or we're just going to get maybe a regular nice breakfast, because there's loads of really nice cafes in this area on the Asian side. This is kind of like a lo-fi, lofi cafe, the music. And we managed to actually come around the corner and find this little cute cafe, and they were so accommodating and so nice. And they were like, do you want food? Are you hungry? And we're like, yes, please. And there's lots of cute cats around here. And there was a poor little cat with a stick he'd got in his nose. A thorn. Guys here grabbed it out. So we feel like we've done a good deed. Well, we didn't do it, we just noticed it. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, cute face.
No, come on. They brought out the olive thing, which I think you can get the other breakfast. It comes with the olive thing and the sausage. Tastes so good.
Surrounded by cats.
This one's turned around and faced me now.
This one's gone loaf mode, and this one...
No, come on. I don't know what's in the vlog at this point. Well, we went out last night. It was last night frenzy, and yeah, feeling a bit hungover, threw up last night. But we've come to a nice little cafe in a different part of Karakuri to eat Turkish breakfast because we haven't had it yet, like a proper spread, and we are then going to the airport after this. So this is our final little thing that we're doing. Oh my god, look at this food. I don't know what else to say, but I just want to eat it. What should I start with? One of these eggs. On the other ones I've seen, it's all been different plates, so I think this is a little bit different. But
Yeah.
it is just a mix of all different things like cheese, olive, sauce.
Yeah, man.
We've got some rolls here, bread, eggs, some sort of beef and hummus over here.
Yo, what are you saying?
I feel like I made a mess. But I don't know what this spread is. Like a,
Peanut butter?
yeah. Oh my god. But they taste
You're gonna
amazing.
get that in me.